family. I hope all is well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be doing faux locks with wavy ends on my client's hair. She has such beautiful natural hair. We have been doing protective styles on her hair for probably about a good 3 months because when she first came to me, her hair was damaged. Now we have got it back to normal, looking good. But now we are going to go ahead and do some faux locks on her. She actually thinking about locking up. And I think anytime you are thinking about locking up, getting these type of styles is such a great way to be able to see if that's something that you want to do. Faux locks are the best. You can be able to do so many different styles with it, so many different styles, and it lasts for about a good 2.5 months. I want keeping it in there no longer than that. But again, guys, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. If you are looking for a great protective style, this is a nice protective style. Very lightweight, not heavy at all. I'll be using the some Afro Soul Bulk Hair by Femi. That is what I'm going to be wrapping with. And then I got the actual locks from Amazon. There's some wavy locks from Amazon. I think they're like about 12 to 14 inches. Again, I'll be wrapping the Afro Soul Bulk Hair on top and then just leaving the hair loose at the bottom. I will be using a flat iron to be able to really make sure that the loose hair don't come out. So I will be sealing the actual hair, the Afro Soul Bulk hair, with a flat iron. But if you keep on, continue to watch, I'll show you what I'm doing. If you would like to take a one-on-one class with me, I'll love to have you. I'll put all my information in the video description box. And as we speak right now, it is on sale until January the 30th. I'll be doing all one-on-one classes, any style you want to learn, crochet, locks, how to care for your locks. It is $85 for 2.5 hours. I am located in Dallas, Georgia. If this sounds like something you like to do, please go ahead and contact me. Other than that, guys, please go ahead and continue to watch how I'm doing it. You see I am wrapping that Afro Soul Bulk hair around the actual lock. And then again, I'll be sealing that lock with a flat iron. So I braid her hair first, go ahead and crochet the actual hair, lock hair in, and then I go in and wrap the hair and then I seal it. So that's the process. So continue to watch. If you have any questions, let me know. And don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, I am officially almost done. Just keep on continuing to do each section by section. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. And guess what? Here is the end results. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you put AV below, added value. And please, if you want me to do your hair, contact me now. Thanks for watching, guys. Be blessed. Happy New Year's. Bye.